Just wanted to give you an update as far as more penny stock that you can invest in. I'm just gonna go straight to the point, keep it short and sweet. Okay, so whenever you invest in penny stock or you do penny stock and warrants, meaning that you're investing in the same company, but you bought the penny stock and then you bought the warrants, which is it's you buying double the amount, which is fine because you're making double the money. What you need to do first, look at the expiration date. Anything that says 2025, any warrants that say it's gonna be expired in 2025, I wouldn't suggest you buy it because it doesn't give you much time. Yes, you do have a few months. If you want to take the risk, that's on you. But we have like September, October, November, December. So that's about 4 months left out of the year. So anything that's expired in October, September, November. I mean, if it expired in December, I mean, you still have time to make money off of it. That's if you want to take the risk. And also usually, if you get it from Fidelity, broker, if you have an account with Fidelity, some of the stuff that's going to be, some of the warrants that's going to be expired in 2025, it will tell you that you cannot buy this security because it doesn't give you detail. It just says that you cannot buy it because it's going to be expired soon. And they don't want you to invest your money in something that's going to be expired soon, where it doesn't give you enough time to allow the stock to grow, or either something good could happen along the way and then it can increase the value of the warrants. So anything that I give you, you do have to do research on it. You can Google it, see the expiration date. And also when you go to Fidelity, you put the abbreviation of the stocks and the buying, the trading screen. It tells you when it's going to be expired. So that way you know specifically the date and time, the date, the month, and the year that it's going to be expired. If you say 2029, 2026, 2028, or I mean, those you have time to buy them. You can start buying them right now. So over time, that they're going to grow, something good going to happen to the company, and then boom. And one thing that I wanted to stretch is that whenever you buy the warrants, the stock and the warrants, they go hand in hand. But the warrants have an expiration date, the stock doesn't. However, some of these companies, they are really small. As soon as they make enough money, they, I guess, delisted their company from the SEC. So you do want to make sure that any amount of money you make from the stocks and the warrants, you cash out. If you make 10%, if you make 20%, 100%, 1,000%, 2,000%, sometimes I see these warrants in the stocks, they shoot up to 1,000%. You don't know where that comes from, but sometimes it's because something good happened to the company, like they raised so much millions of money, and also either that they joined with another company or another company joined them, or something good happened to the company and then they start like shoot up to the sky. So just keep that in mind when you invest them. So cash out as soon if you make $30, $40, $50, $100, cash out, because that's the way you're going to keep on increasing your income. You can't just sit and wait. Oh, it's going to grow. It's going to grow. It's going to grow more. It's going to shoot to the sky and the moon and back. No, the main reason for you to be doing this is that first you want to make some money. You helping the company by buying their stock, their shares, And then once they make money, you make your money, you get out of it. And then if you see that it goes down again, then you buy more. You wait until it goes down again and then you buy more. So that way you keep increasing your money. You doubling, tripling, whatever. You let the money working for you. Comprehend? Okay. So some of the stuff that I'm gonna list it with you here is the they are penny stocks. For me, I buy them when they're like 10 cents, 7 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. So when they shoot up, sometimes they shoot up to a good amount of money, $400, $500, $600, depending on how many stocks you buy, you could make double or triple the amount that you spent. So just keep that in mind. And also you do want to make sure that you do your research on Google. Make sure that the company is making money also. So that way you know if they are making money, then you'll be making money. Comprehend? So do your research first. That's always a good way of showing that you are involved in you are involved, and also you know that if you spend your money, they are penny stocks. As much as you would want to make sure that you maintain and keep your money, you want to make sure that you don't lose it either. You want to protect it as much as you can because this is your money that you are putting in there. Okay, so some of the stocks that I'm going to be listed to you today, I'm just going to go over them and they're not going to be detailed. You do your research on Google, just Google them and just copy and paste them in Google and then put stock price and then it will tell you what the price is. Or you can go to fidelity.com and it will show you if it's in green or red. The moment that it's 30% off or 50% off, that's the time to buy. Yes, load them up. If it allows you to buy, load them up, load them up. But with the warrants, it's limited on how many stocks. It's like you can't buy like a large amount. The company has like limited amount of stock you can buy with the warrants. But with the stocks, you can buy as much as you want. But you do want to be careful. For me, I only like if the stock is new, I just spend like $200 to see if it's going to make me any money. That's the way of me testing it. If it's making me money, then I sell it and then I rebuy it again when it's low. So that's your way of testing it out. Okay, so some of the stock, I'm going to make sure that I go over the warrants with you also. So it's the BGLW. And then next to it is the BGLWW, meaning that's the warrants next to it. So I put both of them together. So that way you're going to be making double your money in that stock. And then the next one is the CRML. And then the next one is the CRMLW for the warrants. And then the next one is the SCLX. And then the next one is, next to it is the LXW, which is the warrants also. So next one is the AIR. And then the next one is the GOVX. And then the next one is the FBLG. And then the next one is the TNAYA. And next to it, I just wanted to spread it out to you guys, is the RVYL. And then the next one is the KVL. And open, that stock is like a technology stock. It does not have a warrant, but I do see that it's like it doesn't allow you. It's like it seemed to be going up and up and up. You do want to make sure that you allowed it to go down at least 20-30% off before you start buying it, because it's like I haven't been able to buy it because it's been like in constant green. So I'm waiting for when it's go down, really down. And then the next one is the BDSX. And if you have any question, you can comment below, because if sometimes you may have issues with buying them on Fidelity. There's a way of buying them. If you're having trouble, sometimes you may like you have to click on the there's like a little square when you click trades, and then some of these warrants, once you put them in there, it's telling you that the amount that you purchase is exceed the amount that you can buy. So what you have to do is just keep on like subtracting it down. Sometimes these stocks will allow you to buy 1,000, 2,000, even 500, and some of these stocks will even allow you to buy 50. And I'm like, what's the point? So, but they have a limited amount when it comes to the warrants. So, like and subscribe, comment below, let me know. This is pretty much how this is going to start. It's just going to be penny stock moving forward. And then any other things that you want to know, you can comment below. Let me know what other topic you want to learn. And then I'll go ahead and bring it out to you. But just for you to help the channel to grow, because that's what it says, build. Let's build it up. Let's pop it up. And also let's keep it moving. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.